Hi and welcome to our channel. This video will teach you how to see everyone in a Microsoft Teams meeting by switching to large gallery view. Firstly, open Microsoft Teams. You'll find this application in your Start menu or on the taskbar. You can also use the mobile app on your Android, iPhone, or iPad, as the steps are similar for both the computer clients and the mobile app. After that, check whether any updates are available. Next, join or host a meeting. Click or tap 3-dot. You'll see this 3-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your computer screen or centered at the bottom of your mobile screen. Now click Large Gallery. This should allow you to see up to 49 participants on the screen of your computer. To see more participants, you can switch to the second, third, and the next available screens. Note, you only see the large gallery option if there are more than 10 people participating in the chat, otherwise, you'll need to pin them to the meeting. Together mode puts at least 5 people together in a scene, like an auditorium. This mode in MS Teams uses AI segmentation technology to digitally place participants in a shared background, making it feel as if you were sitting with all participants in the same room. While you can change screen layouts on Teams, you can choose what you want to see in a Teams meeting, and here are some ways to do just that. For example, you can pin a video. To focus on a particular video, right-click that video and select Pin. The video will be pinned to your view regardless of who's talking. If you want to focus on particular people in the meeting, spotlight them to make them appear larger for everyone. Right-click on the person's video itself and select Spotlight from the menu. You can spotlight your own video in the same way as we described earlier. What's more, you can change the orientation of meeting participants to the top of your screen to maintain better eye contact with others while content is being shared. When you're in the meeting, go to your meeting controls and select More Options and click Gallery at top. You have watched our guide on customization meeting view in MS Teams. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned.